Hello, my name is Anneke Putri Andani. You can call me Anneke. I am student at the University of Muhammadiyah Ponorogo, majoring D3 nursing. To fulfill the requirement of the UAS, I want to discuss about mental health nursing. Mental health or mental health is a level of physical well-being over the absence of mental disorder. Mental health consists of several types of conditions which are the generally category under healthy condition: anxiety disorder, stress and depression. According of the Ministry of Health of the Republic Indonesia, good health in a condition when our mind is in a state of calm and serenity. This enables us to enjoy daily life and appreciate the people around us. Mental health can also be defined as a domain that manage and so on, and conditions that allow physical, intellectual, emotional development to be optional. Then the someone whose development itself is in line and harmony with the circumstances of others. Here are three theories about the cause of mental disorders, namely use preternatural psychology and biology. The supernatural theory states that mental disorders are caused by possession or disturbance by supernatural beings, the displeasure of the good eclipse, planetary gravity, curse, and signs. Supernatural literally means a realm higher than the realm in which human life, from Latin supra, above, and natural related to nature. Psychology theory focus on experience that cause stress, feeling depressed and trauma, emotional shock due to bad experience, behavior and thoughts that are out of tune with their surroundings, maladaptive or maladaptive, or misperception. Biology theory suggests the mental disorders are caused of bodily dysfunction, such as the result of another disease, hereditary, genetic, inheritance, or imbalance and brain damage. Theories about these causes are the background for the act of recovery or healing and treatment of people with mental disorders themselves. People who are considered possessed by supernatural beings will be treated differently from people who are disturbed because of a biological imbalance in their bodies. It also sets the stakes of difference in accepted therapies, such as expulsion of supernatural being versus expulsion of blood in the days of Hippocrates in ancient Greece. If we add the history of the three causes of mental disorder above, the history of mental health does not move in a linear direction, but is more like repeating. The most modern findings include the result of the latest research on the brain using the latest technology, tend to find answers to a number of mental disorders. However, this does not mean that an absolutely perfect solution has been found. Although common side it and upsets in implementing a solution, act an obstacle in a building a support system, then obstacle in finding ideas that lead off the solution itself. So in this case, I can be conclude for a number of parties is various part of the world. Mental health is a future that is still waiting to be realized rather than a past and present that has been defined and defined. Here in Indonesia, soul comes from the Sanskrit jiva, which is mean life, living substance, live, living this, as well as human spirit, individual spirit. In English, the soul is a mental term which is come from the Proto-Indo-Europe and Europe thought man, which is mean to think. This root also derive the English word mean, which mean mind. In addition, the Proto-Indonesia Europe root might have something to be with the derivation of the word man plural, which mean a thing creature. So in this case, viewed from a historic point of view, the word soul and mental are not only close real to life and human life, but also the mind and the essence human being itself. In English, the word mental health or mental health itself, in the sense of the soul or mental, which is close real to the inner well-being of humans, has been used since 100. The word mental health or mental health historically come from in the word mental hygiene or psychology sanitation, which is a kind of mental health movement that tries to improve conditions for psychiatric care in the United States. After the movement called moral therapy, succeeded in bringing the cause of liberation mental patients from chains in various mental hospitals in Western Union. Thank you.